Canva AI text to image generator. On this video, I will show you how to use Canva AI text to image generator on your designs, or how to create with just a text. Okay, so this is the dashboard of the Canva. Okay, so I will click here, create design. For example, I want to create a YouTube thumbnail, just example. Okay, you can do that with all the things. Okay, like Pinterest post, Instagram post, anything. Okay, so I will click, for example, YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so after that I will go here to apps and search here text, text to image, like that, and click search. Okay, so the first result is Magic Media. I will click on it. Okay, and for me, I'm already on use this um, app, so just click on install or use it, and it's working for you. Okay, after that, here you need to enter what do you want to create. It say describe what do you like to create. For me, for example, I want to create image, watch TV with family. Just example, I will click create. We need to wait some seconds to make the Canva AI text to image generator tool create our design or our picture. So as you can see here, the image is start showing here on this tool, and it starts showing one by one, and we can change the style of the image. Okay, so this is one of the image that we create them. So if you want to bring this style to here, we can just click on it. Okay, and we can resize it. So if we want to create or to change the style of the design, for me, for example, I want a soft focus or high flash, long exposure, or picture minimalist. Okay, for me, for example, I want a high flash um, design. Okay, I will choose it and create again. We need to click on it. Okay, and this is the first. It's very good. You see, it's very easy. So right now, the Canva AI text to image tool create for us a picture with high flash. As you can see here, the light is it's hot here. As you can see here, we can change also the style. For example, we want filmic. We choose it, click generate again, and the Canva AI text to image tool star create another image. So as you can see here, new pictures, new uh, style is here. Okay, so if you learn by this video new thing, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video, and share this video with your friends. Maybe your friends, they need this video. Okay, so um, we can also create a 3D picture. Okay, so we choose 3D and we click generate again to make the tool generate a 3D pictures. Okay, so we wait some seconds until the tool start creating a new things, and as you can see here, 3D picture. Okay, we can here change the um, the thing that we want to create. For example, play football. Okay, make for example Kong play football, just for new style. So we are waiting. some seconds. The tool is very easy, and as you can see here, we create a Kong playing the football. Okay, so we can create anything we want. Okay, so just do like the video, type what do you want to create here, click generate, and you can change the style. For example, I want filmic style for Kong play football. I click generate again, and the picture is it's high quality, it's very clear, and the tool it's very easy on Canva. Okay, so um, as you can see here, we create these pictures here, and it's very easy thing. As you can see here, I can't playing football. Okay, so we can choose also another style. For example, I don't know, gradient, generate again. Okay, so the things it's very easy. So please, if you like the video, if this video really help me and subscribe my channel, like the video, and share this video with your friends. Okay, so this is the video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.